So if we have something like log, when you are dealing on mathematics, something like log 2, log, okay, then I will press my superscript, log 10, 20 or 5. So I actually achieved this using the subscript. This particular one is subscript. So why this one is superscript. Okay. So here is where you change the text effects. Let's go up so that you see it very well. I'll highlight this particular text. Now here you change the effects. I want you to see it very well. I've seen it. It will change. Once you've highlighted it, whatever you hover on will change. So let me use this one. This is for text effects. Now this one is for highlight color. If I want this particular text to have a particular background, now I can, let me put blue. Now this particular one is text color. So since this one has a blue background, let me give it a font color of white. So but first of all, you have to highlight it too. It's as if it is highlighted, but it is not. So once I highlight it, I will go and choose white. See, this is for font color. This is for font highlight color. This is for text effects. You can see the difference. All right, let's quickly move to paragraph. Here we have the alignment, left align. This by default, most of the documents are left aligned. So now if you want it to be on the center, you click on center. Are you seeing the difference? If I want it to be aligned right, or click on right. Then justify means it will just try to shape the document so that they will have equal alignment on both left and right. Okay, so I will keep it to the center. Now, so this is line spacing. I will use this. Let me use the format painter to bring everything here. To the same. So if I have something like this, I can highlight this and give it line spacing. Are you seeing? That is the closeness between the bottoms. By default, is always 1. Sorry, 1.15. By default is always 1.15. So I'm going to make it 2 now. You can see the difference. So here I have indentation. Indentation is actually the space that I want to give it from the margin. So if I want to move it one indent to the right, I'll just click on this. Are you seeing it? I'll click again. I'll click again. If I want to bring it back, I will use this one. This. So if I have a name that I want to arrange in alphabetical order, I can use this sorting. That is where sorting comes. Okay, let's check this now. Click on sorts. You can sort by paragraph, you can sort by heading, sort by field name. So you can change either ascending or descending order. So I'm going to change to ascending order now. As you can see, the H went up and other editing comes to the back. All right, this is a shading. Let me highlight some color, some text, so that I will shade it. I seen it.